Hey folks, welcome back to Technique. I'm Lane Flynn, your packaging expert. We're continuing our discussion on serialization and how that works and what you as a packager need to know about it by taking a look at a specific package example and how serialization applies in that instance. So what we have here, this is an example I've been using in this video series, is a medical device product. This is actually a product for surgical use, but the specific product isn't really relevant to our discussion today. What you can see is we've got an individual medical product in here with a lot number and expiration date printed on that product, and then inserted into this thermoformed blister pack with a Tyvek seal on it. So from a packaging perspective, how does serialization work? Well, in this example, we don't have a barcode or an RFID tag on the individual product, but we do have a lot number and serial number, and that lot number and serial number are stored in the serialization system so that they can be linked to all these other components. Now, on this particular example, instead of printing directly on the Tyvek blister seal, we are printing and applying a label with a barcode on it, and that's a unique identifier that, again, anytime this label is tracked, that information can be sent to a serialization system and identify which label this is and which product it is associated with. So that, for example, if in a pharmacy or what have you, somebody were to find a label and then a product not matching that label, there had been some tampering that had occurred at some point during that process because your product is not matching your package. Now, from the packaging perspective, this product is going into a carton, and when we package it, we've also got a print and apply barcode label on the carton. So we're also scanning this label and confirming that it matches. So we open up the carton to put the product into it. We scan both labels at the time to make sure they match and we don't have the incorrect carton loaded or there wasn't an error with the label printing. If there is, we stop the process and alert the operator so we don't get that mismatch, so that down the road, once the supply is in the hands of the end user, there's a problem because the product and package don't match and it indicates possible tampering. For this application, like many applications, we've also got a leaflet, and leaflets can either be pre-printed or printed in real time during the packaging process. If we print them in real time, we can make a unique text or barcode type identifier on each of them and uniquely match each leaflet. So during the packaging process, we scan our product, we scan our leaflet, and we scan our carton barcode, ensure that they all match. If not, we stop things right there and let the operator know. Assuming everything does match, we then insert the product and leaflet into the carton and send this carton down on its way. There's going to be further verification steps. We'll probably scan this barcode again when the carton goes into a shipping case. In some cases, we even scan another label on the shipping case when we're automating the palletizing of the products before they get shipped to the end user, so that at each step, we are verifying that the correct product, leaflet, carton, any other components that go with it, all match. That's an important part of serialization because if anything mismatches at any point, you lose your ability to correctly track each piece as they proceed down the line. So while verification is not exactly the same as serialization, it's an important component of it to make sure that everything matches up and that when you look at this package at any point in the supply chain, you know, because you verified it, that everything inside that package also matches up and can be traced properly back to the origin. We appreciate you joining us today. We'll be continuing our serialization series and hope you'll stick with us for that. Please like and subscribe on YouTube to get the latest videos as soon as they're released, and you can follow us on your favorite social media channel as well. I'm Lane Flynn for Technique. I appreciate you joining us, and we'll see you next time.